How to fix Google Play Store server error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on Android phone. First open settings here and then click apps and now apps again, and here type play, and here you will find Google Play services. Click on it and then click storage and now click manage storage, and here you will find clear all data. Click on it and now go back and go to Google Play Store, and then go to storage and clear data, and that's it. Now all your problems must be fixed, and just restart your phone and try again, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and that's it. See you in the next video.